Today we are going to solve a classic exponential equation, that is x raised to the power 5 equal to 9 power x. To solve for x, we can take natural log on both sides. Then you will get ln of x power 5, that is equal to ln of 9 power x. So now it is left hand side is in the form of log of a power n. We can write this as m times log a according to the log property, isn't it? So we can write this as 5 times ln x, that is equal to, this is also is in the form of ln a power n. So we can write this also x times ln x, ln 9. Our goal is to find x, so send all the x terms in one side. So that's why both side divide by x. So then ln x over x, 5 times ln x over x, that is equal to ln 9. And this you can write this as ln x over x, that is equal to ln 9 over 5. Now x terms are in one side and constants are in one side. Actually this is a transcendental equation and solving it analytically a bit challenging. Using logarithms alone does not need a solution. However, we are going to employ a Lambert W function. It's going to provide us an elegant solution. So that's why apply Lambert W function here. Lambert W function is a special function that helps solve equations in which the variable appears in exponential function. It is defined as W of a times e power a, that is equal to a. Now apply this Lambert W function. We can rearrange the equation. Here we have exponential form. So that's why here the x we can write this as, this x we can write this as e power ln x, isn't it? Here e and ln are opposite function. So instead of x we can write e power ln x. So let's write. So what we have ln x over e power, instead of x I am going to write e power ln x, that is equal to ln 9 over 5. So actually it is in denominator. We need to take it in numerator. So then it becomes ln x e power minus ln x, that is equal to ln 9 over 5. In Lambert function we have e power a. So here e power a is in negative form. So that's why both sides multiply with negative 1. Then minus ln x e power minus ln x, that is equal to minus ln 9 over 5. So now it is in the form of a times e power a. So now we have to apply the Lambert function here. So after applying, so this left hand side turns into a, which is minus ln x, that is equal to w of minus ln 9 over 5. So here we have minus, it's nothing but minus 1 times ln x, isn't it? It's nothing but minus 1 times ln x. So it is in the form of m times ln a. According to the logarithm property, we can write this as ln a power m. So we can write this as ln x power minus 1. It is a natural log, that means the base is e. So that is equal to w of minus ln 9 over 5. Now it is in the form of ln a with base b, that is equal to n. According to the logarithm property, we can write this as a equal to b power n. So that means we can write this as x power minus 1 equal to the base is e power w of minus ln 9 over 5. So here x is nothing but 1 over x. So that is equal to e power w of minus ln 9 over 5. So then x equal to, take reciprocals on both sides, then x equal to 1 over e power w of minus ln 9 over 5. This is our x value. Like that we can find any complex expression using this Lambert W function. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.